Hello everyone, Nikki Holland here. We're continuing our journey through our premium starter kit, and today I want to talk to you about NingXia Red. Now that's the two little packets like this that came in your kit. So what exactly is NingXia Red? To me, it's this sweet, tangy little drink that includes juices and extracts from superfruits like blueberries, pomegranates, plums, and best of all, the NingXia wolfberry. Now, NingXia wolfberries are loaded in antioxidants, right? So that's going to provide our body with everything it needs. It's going to help support our muscular system, our nervous system, our endocrine system. And because it's infused with essential oils, it actually is water and fat soluble. So that means it's going to touch us from the little hairs on our head all the way down to little piggies on our feet. It's just a real feel-good little energy drink. Something I'll suggest to you is to put one of these in the refrigerator and one of them in the freezer. Now, in the morning when you open it up, you can drink it straight from the packet, or you can pour it in a little cup and maybe add something else that came in your premium starter kit, citrus fresh. A couple of drops of that and it'll just really boost the flavor, and it's so good for you. This will give you energy throughout the day. The one that you put in the freezer, have that in the afternoon as a little afternoon snack. It's like a really amazing tasting popsicle. So that's how I use it, and I absolutely love it. I can give you a little testimony about my husband. Now, he started taking this just 2 ounces a day, which is one of these, about 4 months ago. Prior to him taking this, he was falling asleep at his desk at work. He was falling asleep in the evenings in his recliner, and he was just tired all the time. But now he's not tired anymore. He's not falling asleep at work. He has lots of stamina and he's able to focus better. And I find that I focus a little better with this as well. So please don't let these sit in the box. These things are priceless. They're really, really, really good for your body. I hope this information is helpful. And until next time, you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.